Maybe I should have gotten dinner before I started this because it's gonna take hours. Get your life together. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Kelly and welcome to KaylayCreates. So today I am doing another, I don't know if this is a challenge type video, but I am part of this wonderful Discord community called Support Force. I'm gonna leave a invite link in my my description down below. It's really just a fun place to talk to new people. There's a lot of gamers, there's other beauty people. So if you guys want to talk to some more fun people, just come on and join. Tell them that Kaylay sent you. We have a channel in it called The Powder Room, and in it we are having a monthly makeup collab through Express Yourself Crystal, and I'm also going to tag her down below as well. And every month she has a collaboration of a bunch of artists that are doing their take on the idea. So this month's look, it's for September, and it is pop art. So pop art to me really means those comic book looking characters, but I really wanted to show just how different it looks from a regular look, I guess. I really love like half face looks. I feel like this is like me turning into comic book Kaylay, but it just makes me really excited. I like that it takes me out of the comfort zone, and I'm just really excited about it. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, I know it's a little bit long of a video, but just follow along. Okay, so the very first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to sketch out which side I want to be the pop art and which side I want to be regular. Okay, that's good, I guess. I'm gonna be needing a lot of makeup remover for this look just because I want it to stay really sharp and precise along that line. So I am going to be using micellar water for the most part. I wanted to use lip liner just because it's a lighter color and I know that it can come off very easily. This specific one that I used is a Steve Laurent one in the shade Vogue. So I'm using my Milani Stay Put brow color in the shade Soft Brown, and I'm just using my Anastasia Beverly Hills brush. Okay, and then I'm gonna be priming my eyes with my Morphe eyelid primer, or just I think I might just do like a typical golden smoky eye thing, I guess. Let's see, so in my new BoxyCharm, I just got this. This is the Violet Voss Essentials Pro Series eyeshadow palette. So I kind of want to play with this a little bit, why not? So it looks like this. It's really pretty. So I'm just using this random little fluffy brush, and I'm gonna dip into Sand, which is this one up here, just to put into my crease. And then I'm gonna go in with, I guess, some of that cinnamon shade right there, and just kind of try and direct this a little bit deeper into my crease. And then just a little bit, a tiny bit of that black right there to put on the outer V. Then I think I'm just gonna be using my finger right here to go into the gold shade up here. Ooh, it's nice and, ooh, oh, that's pretty. Okay, so I have a new eyeliner that I want to use. So this is the Hank & Henry Slick With It, and I think it should be black. Yeah, it's in the shade Blackety Black, and let me just, all right, so I think this is like a pen. It is, so it's a pen. Let's see if I remember how to use a pen. Then I'm gonna move on to my face. And then I'm going to prime my face with the CoverGirl True Blend Base Business. This is the moisturizing one. I have relatively dry skin. And on this side of my face, I'm actually going to be using a different foundation than this side. Hopefully that looks okay. I want to look a little bit more like tan and human on this side, and this side I want to look more pale and cartoony. So the foundation that I'm going to be using on this side is going to be the ColourPop No Filter foundation in the shade Light 75. It's a little bit dark for me, but I will be lightening it up with some concealer. And then for concealer today, I'm going to be using the ColourPop No Filter concealer. This is the shade Light 14. And then I'm going to set my face, and I also have another new product. This is from BoxyCharm last month, and I just haven't used it yet because I really wanted to use it on camera. This is the Becca Hydra Mist Set and Refresh Powder, and I'm just gonna hopefully press that all over that one side of my face. Oh my god, it literally feels cold. Maybe a bit more cakey than my RCMA powder. All right, and then I'm gonna finish up under my eyes, and I'm just gonna be going in with that cinnamon shade. And then I'm just gonna be using a little tiny, I think this is actually a lip brush. Yeah, this is a Luxie lip brush in the shade Cream up here, and just highlight my inner corner. Woo! That's a bright highlight. And then for bronzer today, I'm going in with my Park Ave Princess. This is also from BoxyCharm, and I have not used it yet. This is what I used on my face as a ruler. Okay, and then for my brush, I'm going to be using this Crown Cosmetics, I think it's a blush brush maybe, and I'm going to use the shade Princess Cut, which is this one here. And then I am going to use a highlighter on this side as well. This is another Luxie brush. This is the tapered highlighter brush. I don't know if I can reach any of my highlighters. I think I'm actually going to go in with that eyeshadow shade, the cream one. Alright, so I'm really going to be modeling it off of this picture. Ooh, my phone is so dirty. Wow. Okay, this picture right here. So this is by Ramen Beauty. And it just looks so cool, and it has that yellow eye look that I'm looking for. Yeah, I'm gonna start with my eyebrow. So this is going to be a black eyebrow because it is a pop art look. So I'm gonna be going in with my It Cosmetics brush. This is the liner side, and the Pretty Vulgar, the ink eyeshadow in Blacklist. Oh yeah. So my brow is done, my eye is set, and I'm ready to move on to the eyeshadow portion. So I'm gonna be going in with my KaylayCreates washable face paint. This comes off, like, this is from Walmart. I used this stuff for the alien look that I did. I don't know if you guys saw it. It is on my Instagram. But this stuff was actually pretty good and pretty cheap. So for the gold, I want it to look yellow because that is more of a pop arty color. And I'm using my Alamad flat brush. So there's that, but I want it to be a bit brighter. So I'm gonna go in with a eyeshadow. And the palette that I know that has the brightest colors is my James Charles palette. I know I use this in like every single video, but I don't have a lot of palettes. So I'm just gonna go in with that same brush, and the yellow that's in the palette, it's called B. I'm just gonna pat that yellow powder on. So I'm gonna go in with that pen liner again, and basically I'm going to be sketching out a new crease. Actually, I'm going to give myself a wing first because that's going to give me a little bit more of a shape. So whenever I do this, I put my elbow down on the table, and can you see me shaking? So that actually looks pretty cool. Alright, so the white that I'm going to be using is my NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the shade Milk. The white is to make my eyes look bigger, more cartoony. And then again, I'm going to be setting that with my James Charles palette with the white eyeshadow. It's called Flashback. And then I'm going to be going back in with the black liner and giving myself a new lower lash line. And then I am going to go in and start on my face makeup, going back in with my CoverGirl True Blend. And then the foundation that I'm going to be using on this side is the CoverGirl True Blend in Buff Beige. This one's just a little bit lighter. And then I do not want to actually use concealer because I want this side of my face to be all one color. And then again, I'm going to go in and set my face with that same powder from Becca. And then she has a line right where her cheekbone is. And then she has a line that's straight down her nose. I feel like that looks wrong. Okay, so she's the only one that I can find who actually does that little curve thing, but I feel like it just does not suit my nose. So I'm not going to be doing that. And then she does a jawbone as well. And I think now that I am like messing with the black, I think I'm going to draw the line in black as well. Okay, and then a lot of these have like a little tear under these eyes. So I'm gonna be going in with another one of those paints, and a little tiny brush, and drawing in a tear. And then they all have like a line underneath. And then they all have like a white shine on them. So I have that cream paint that I did. So this is cream, I think it's the Ruby's cream makeup. So I'm gonna be using that instead with the same brush. A lot of these also have like a white line under the eyebrows. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Okay, and now for another hard part, my lips. Okay, so I'm gonna start out with just doing my lips like normal, but I do have a sore on my lips, so I'm gonna be kind of drawing it on. So I'm using my Melted Matte Too Faced lipstick, oh my god, I said that all backwards, in the shade Lady Balls, and I'm just using an extra brush so I don't bother that sore. And then I need to line my lips with black. So I'm using the same black eyeliner and a little tiny brush. All right, and then I need to just highlight my lips a little bit. So I do want to do all the dots on my face to make it look like I am part of a comic book. I do not have good enough white, so I'm going to try doing it with pink. So this is a little bit of that, that paint that I was using before, and a little tiny eyeliner brush. And I'm just going to do small dots all over my face. I actually love it. I was so scared that doing the pink was gonna completely ruin the whole look, but I really love it. Oh my goodness, we are almost there. We are almost done with this journey. I'm gonna be putting some mascara on. This is the Big Ego by Tarte. And on this eye, I'm just putting it on my upper lid because I do not want to cover that white. All right, and then I'm gonna be putting on some falsies and I will be right back. All right, so that is the final look. This is so much fun. I am so happy with how this turned out. Like, I didn't know I was this creative. I didn't know I could do all of this. By the way, these lashes are Ardell lashes. They are the Faux Mink Wispies. All right, but anyway, thank you guys so much for watching today. I am so excited with how this turned out. I hope that you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, give me a comment down below and tell me which side you like better, my real side or my comic book side. So please let me know, and I want to thank you guys for watching this video today, and I hope you have a wonderful day wherever you are. Bye!